So when you're checking the location as a passive investor, what are some of the sites that people can go to or where they can check the location? Any guidance there?
Yeah, that's a good question. If you just type in a city's name in Google, the first thing I like to look at is what's the population, right? Because population is usually pretty telling. And there's kind of a baseline. I mean, there's a bunch of really smart people that are way smarter than me, like in the data space. Like Neil Bawa is a really popular guy who's really data centric, right? And he talks about trying to not invest in markets that don't have at least 250,000 people or more in population. Is that a hard and fast rule? No, but there's probably some sort of data to that where if you invest in markets that are too small, you're going to have issues with renting units. You're going to have issues with population growth. You're going to have issues with job creation. You're not going to have a lot of success being able to raise your rent. So that's a big thing. Just go to Google. If you're investing in, Houston, you type in Houston MSA population, or you type in a submarket of that population. So that's a big one.